Unlocking the mystery of swear to in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase in the English language, swear to. Understanding this phrase can be a game changer in both your spoken and written English. So, let's get started and uncover the various nuances of swear to. Swear to is a phrase used to express a strong promise or an assertion of truth. When someone says they swear to something, they are emphasizing their honesty or commitment to what they are saying. For example, I swear to tell the truth means the speaker is promising to be truthful. 2.1 In legal settings. In legal contexts, swear to is often used in oaths. For example, in court, a witness may say, I swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. This is a formal declaration of honesty. 2.2 In everyday conversation. In everyday speech, swear to can be more casual. It's like saying, I promise, or I assure you. For example, I swear to finish the project on time. It shows commitment or reassures someone of the speaker's intentions. 3.1 Not always literal. Sometimes, swear to is used for emphasis and not taken literally. For example, I swear to God I had no idea about the surprise party. Here, it's more about expressing surprise than making a religious oath. 3.2 Cultural sensitivities. Be aware of cultural contexts. In some cultures, saying, I swear to God, might be seen as disrespectful or too casual, especially when not used in a serious context. 4.1 Formal use. In a courtroom, do you swear to tell the truth? In official documents, I swear to uphold the duties of my office. 4.2 Informal use. Reassuring a friend, I swear to help you with your move. Expressing seriousness, I swear to you, I didn't touch your phone. Understanding the phrase, swear to, is crucial for navigating both formal and casual conversations in English. Remember, it's about conveying a strong promise or the truthfulness of your words. We hope this video helps you use swear to more confidently in your English conversations. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the beauty of the English language.